God of War 2, we're on the Icarus encounter. So we're going to head on over this bridge here. And I've always found it funny. This is my second time going through Titan mode. And it's always funny to think that, you know, what would Kratos do if Icarus didn't decide to show up here to test out his wings, you know? There'd be no way for him to get across this chasm here. So I always think it's nothing that I fault with the game as far as the storyline, but I think it's kind of convenient for that to occur, this event. And you just forgive it that because it's an awesome game. But anyway, so we're going to be taking a very long detour because we're going to have to acquire this guy's wings, but he's not going to be giving them up so easily. So there's going to be a pretty fun quick time sequence to do with this boss. He's not a boss, what am I saying? He is, it's just an encounter. So when this fight starts, there's going to be 2 quick time buttons to press, and not press, but move the analog stick. And if you succeed in the in those 2 button presses, then you're on top at the beginning of this fight. But if you fail, then then he's on the top. Then you have to move him towards you until you're on top, and you can only hit him when you're on top. So what's going on here is the square button is the he hits with the right hand, and then the triangle button he hits with the left hand. It's just how it works out. And then when he does try to get you off center, just move the analog stick back and forth. And then this sequence here requires another analog stick rotation. So I think there's 3 of them in this fight. And this is really high flying fun. Once again, it's got the music from the flying sequences here. And so just smash at this guy. It's a scripted fight. You can't win. You actually succeed in ripping his wings off, but you don't win in the sense that you can't not fall to the underworld here. So we're going to be taking a very long detour to get back up to the part where we can actually start getting over to the Sisters of Fate, but that's going to be a while still. So just tap the O button here, rip his wings off, and then we get his wings, so it's really cool.